The FIG Young Surveyors Network use Google Drive quite often for collaborating across the continents and countries that we represent. Now, the VCSP, the Volunteer Community Surveyor Program, as an FIG Young Surveyors Network initiative, we as a team use Google Drive frequently as it helps us collaborate. After watching this, you'll be able to understand the power of Google Suite as a collaboration tool. I'm Claire, the VCSP core team lead, and I've learned a thing or two with my time as a volunteer for the Young Surveyors Network that I'd like to share with you to make your volunteer efforts more impactful. Now, this is a very quick video on what very specific tips relating to FIG Young Surveyors Network. Please do a bit more reading for yourself. I've put a few links down below so you can click on the links and learn more for yourself. Please also keep in mind data privacy policies and make sure that you're checking with people before you share a document that they are part of. First, how I would do it through my Drive. Go to the top search bar and search for maybe the title or a subject item that you know is in there, and then you can change the type of document. Then when you find it, you can look where it is saved, so you can right click on it or go to more details and you can see the folder name. You can star a document. As you can see here, you can either do it within the document or you can right click on it in Drive. That allows you to quickly find it. So over here on my starred, I got some of my favorites saved. You can either right click it from Google Drive and so you make a copy and then find it through the methods I've just shown you. Then you can rename it, you can do what you like with it really. It's your document then, it's not shared with anyone else. Now I'll remove that and I'll show you how I prefer to make a copy of the document. Before I do that though, I just wanted to show you why I prefer this next method. This is the document we just copied, so it's the copied version. If I show you the sharing settings, you can see that it's actually only me that can access this now. So no one else has access, it's just a copy. If I go to the original document and show you the sharing settings, those people who have access and can edit the document as shown. So it's better to collaborate if you're all in the same document, not copy. Instead of copying, I use an add shortcut. This is similar to if you use Windows or Apple, I'm sure. You create a shortcut to the document, so it's the same document that you've got a copy for or link to. You can save that shortcut wherever you like. You can do it within the document or from Drive, and then you can store it where's handy for you. In another document off screen, I'm editing as myself. You can see I'm directly editing. However, if I want to just suggest edits, which is the button in the top right there, you can just suggest a change rather than completely changing the document. And then what you could do is use the comment to mention the person that you're suggesting the edit of. So if there's someone who's authored the document, you can use the @ symbol and their email, and they'll get an email to notify them, which I'll show you soon. See that I've suggested edits in the top right there, and now perhaps I want to share it with someone new. Now I'll just use me as an example. When you share with someone, you can choose if they're an editor, which means they can edit, share and delete the document. They have full privileges other than being an owner. The other option is to give them commented privileges, which maybe just allows them to read the document and then provide comments along the side. This is helpful for review or just to give someone a look. And then the final option is a viewer, which is purely just viewing. You can't edit it, you can't comment on it. It's good if you've got something you've finalised and want to share, but for FIG you will want to use a template from the examples on the Call for Papers website. Now finally I want to show you what comes through when you comment and mention someone. So it's like tagging. I've got a notification from myself earlier on the suggested edit I made. I can open that up and it brings up the document. I can either choose to accept that suggested edit or I can choose to reject it. Perhaps you'd want to put a comment in as to why you're rejecting it. But yeah, this is a good way to notify people when you've finished your part of the collaboration or you need some input.